All right, we're back home. We blasted down there and blasted back. Now the kid wants to do the crash bar install. See if you can figure it out. So follow us along here. We got our tools set up here on the Raptor rear tailgate little tray.
Trailgater. Shout out to Trailgater.
Yeah, so do me a favor,
awesome
get that.
product, and they also have an awesome look to the product.
Okay, so now get your hands ready, and let's bring the bring each one of those bars over here to the back so we can put them on the this area here. Have a little work area here for us. Dog leashes, kids stuff. So here, grab each one. Yeah, and let's put them back here so you can unwrap them.
Okay.
Okay, you got to figure out which is left and which is right.
I'm going to guess that this is right.
Okay. Got to take the covers off as you stuff
Can you
your
pause
face.
the video just so I can finish my banana?
You're stuffing your face. Nice. All right. So, do you even have any clue how that goes on there?
Yeah.
Really? Probably wise to look at my red bike first.
I think it goes like this.
Let's see. Close, yeah. Doing pretty good, but you got to find the holes so don't drop on the ground.
It goes in this general area.
Right, so where do you see a hole?
I think it goes right there, and I think it goes right there.
Okay. So the bolts go over there. I put the bolts over there. Actually, you should have brought the bolts. So grab all 4 bolts.
Okay.
All right, and let's put the bolts over in your little workstation. And you need to grab 2 bolts, and you're gonna need your wrench. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So now, for the record, the right-hand side is the challenge because you have to remove this assembly here.
Oh, let's do
So
the left
I think
side.
do the left side. So if I was you, I'd put that one.
Yeah, I just didn't know that.
So we'll do the left side first, and
Wee.
between stuffing your face and sneezing, what a video. So do you have the 2 bolts?
Yeah.
Do you have your? Okay.
Come on, Dad.
Okay. Now, would it be easier to turn the handlebars for you to get in there? Or just kind of leave the bike straight? Nope. There you go. Okay.
You remove that?
Nope. It's down below that, I think.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. So now,
Let me just... Right here?
first get your one up top.
Where does this
And there
go?
you go. Yeah. See
Right
the hole?
there?
See the hole right there?
Yeah.
So where's your bolts?
Right here.
Okay. So you start with one on the top is what I would do.
Okay.
So you get it through. There you go.
Trying.
First, just get it through the hole. There you go. Now, there you go. Good job.
Like that?
Yeah. Perfect. And you have your little tool.
Nope.
Where's that little tool?
Right there.
Well,
Oh, no, it's right on that footstool.
okay. Now,
Is it lined up properly?
I think it is. Let me give you a better one. I think we should use. I think you're better off using this one here.
Yeah, I like these crash bars.
Here, take that off the end. There you go. So you just kind of get it started. There you go. Good. Now you got it. Yeah. Wiggle the bar a little bit. So, okay. And right now that's good. Now you want to focus on the bottom.
Okay.
Okay. So where's the bottom one?
Right here. I
Okay.
see it.
Okay.
Oops. There we go. Yep, there we go. Yep, we got it.
Uh-huh. Yikes.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Wow. Man. I guess I put this top one on too tight.
No, not at all. You're doing fine.
Hmm.
Do you want to take that socket and help you get that
But
little...
it's not going anywhere near the hole.
Yeah, but what I'm saying, take the socket and put it in that Allen, and then that gives you a little bit more leverage to position it.
There we go. I got it. I know what I was doing. I thought something was touching me. Just a tassel. There we go. I got it.
It's awesome. All right, now...
11, 11, 20. 11, 11, 20.
So that's interesting. So that bike sat at the dealership for
No,
2 months.
Dad.
Oh, 11, 11, 20. What's that?
That's, I think, when this was built.
Okay, now,
No, it wasn't.
get your socket.
I'm confused.
Okay, here you go.
So
Put this
why-
on the end of your ratchet.
Why
Now you
does
do
it
the top
say
one.
11, 11, 20?
I don't have to look at it. So now put that, get it, push that little button on top so it'll go through a little easier. That's hard to believe a school bus comes through this neighborhood. But old farts are going to school still. All right, now make sure it's going righty-righty. Make sure it's going righty-righty. Okay, so now, nope,
No.
wrong way. There you go. There you go. Ooh, don't bang your fender.
I know. I did it.
Say what?
Didn't mean to. The only reason I did that is because I went for a little different position and it messed me up.
Okay. Extension here. Let me show you. Here you go. If you had an extension, your life would be a little easier. There you go. Just go ahead and get it tightened up. Get it nice and snug, and then we'll snug up the top, and then you do the last real tight. Okay, good. I'm sure you have it in there correctly. Okay, make sure that's seated in there so you don't strip it. Okay? You're not really in there all the way. Look, here. You got to make sure you get that in square. Otherwise, you'll strip that head. Well, you're not really getting the Allen into that bolt correctly.
But
So
is the bolt in there correct?
yeah, but you got to get your Allen into that head so that once you start cranking it, it doesn't end up twisting on you and stripping it. So just make sure you get that seat in there correctly. All the way, push all the way in.
It is.
Okay. You keep on going. Just crank it all the way down. Okay. Keep on going. All right, good. Now do down below. And maneuver that so you're pushing down on it, not pulling up. So when you go to crank that, make sure it's in there seated correctly. Okay, there you go. There you go. So now make sure it's like parallel to the ground so you can push down. Nope, other way. So you want to have it so you can push on it, but get that thing seated right. You're not. There you go. Good job. That little that goes up a little bit. There you go. See that? Okay, now. All right, now crank a little bit more. Get it in there right. You can't be angled. You got to make sure you get that right.
Stop talking so much.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah.
That's as tight as it goes.
Okay, good. Good job. All right. Now go to the next side. Here comes the compassion. You're interfering with the progress. There he is, Poppy.
Oh, man.
All right, here you go. Now you have to loosen up this right side driver's board. So get your socket thing set up. No. Get your socket thing set up. Get your extension set up. And you're going to reverse it. You're going to survive. Now, look here. Down below here, look here. Okay. Do you see that right there? You have to get in there. Okay. And make sure you're on it. And remember, left, you're going lefty, not righty. You're unloosening it. And I actually loosened that up earlier. So that's good. Now you have one on top too.
How much loose?
You take it all the way out. This whole assembly here has to come out from away from the bike. So yikes. Now I'm loosening the top right now as well. So there's one up top here. See it?
Right here?
No. Let's see. It's right here. Look. Right there.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay, Grandmommy wants me for a minute.
Okay.
Be right back.
Yep. Okay. So take that top one out. Okay. And we'll have to lower that off the bike onto the ground. Sometimes just spin all the way around. You just start spinning. No, take the whole wrench and just spin it. So you take this here.
Does this not work?
It does. Well, you can do it that way, but you can just take the wrench too and just spin it. There you go. Yeah. And just hold the shaft. There you go. There you go. Now you're figuring it out. Good. Okay. So now here's one. Set it on the ground where it's not going to get lost. Now the next one, same thing, but this is again going to fall off. And we don't want to damage the brake line. You got to be a little careful on that. So you kind of get closer, you're going to have to kind of be holding that as it kind of comes. You'll feel it kind of start to pop off. Go get the mail, would you?
I think I will.
Okay.
No,
Keep on going.
I don't feel it.
Well, that's a problem.
I don't feel it.
Well, you gotta push that thing way in there to get to it. You gotta go all the way in. There you go. Now you got it. Feel it? Is he grabbing?
Where is that thing?
Want some towels to be able to put your knees in the ground?
I don't see it.
Just put that all the way in there.
Where is the hole again? Isn't it right here?
No, it's that bottom one. There you go.
That's what I've been doing.
Yeah, well, okay, well then good. Put it back
It's
in
not
there.
there.
Yeah, it is. It's there. You just have to push way back in there. Feel it now?
Yeah.
Okay. So
think-
now when that pops, that whole assembly's gonna fall on the ground.
No, it's not.
Okay. Get ready for it.
How come this isn't coming out?
You just made us be honest. Just feel the whole assembly right now. It should be moving around.
You didn't do this right.
Let's see. You haven't loosened up that back one. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. Which one did you take out? Did you ever loosen this one right here?
Where?
Up front. I showed you the up front one.
This one?
Yeah. So you kept on playing with the back one. That's fine. Go to the front now. The bolt's out. You've already taken the bolts out of that one, goofball.
Where is the front?
It's right here.
Where?
Right here. Put your hand right there.
Where? Oh.
So you already took the one out of the back. I thought you repositioned.
I have to push up?
Left, to the left. Push down, just push down. You got it, push down. There you go. See that? Now the whole assembly's moving. See that? You get your $1 million check?
No, $2 million one.
The $2 million check
This
came
week,
today?
yeah.
Wow, what a lucky guy. Tell you. Every day I go to the mailbox looking for that $1 million check.
That's right.
You lucked out.
Maybe if I go twice, I'll get 2.
Maybe. Or you probably get the $1 million bill.
That too.
There you go. Now you're getting it. So now when that comes out, just lightly lay that on the ground. I think you got it. Okay, just be careful. Nice and easy in the ground so that line doesn't break. You don't want that line to break. See that? Get it close to the bike. There you go. Just like that. Perfect. You're good. Perfect. Now, make sure you grab your 2 bolts and your other bar and you're making headway. You're getting a little tired. Your body getting a little sore.
Okay.
Okay. We're making progress. Doing great.
Okay. Right here?
Yep, you got it. So get the one up top first. That way you line up the right hole. Do the top one first. There you go. Yep, perfect. So our hole is for the other one. Take your new screws, new bolts. You got it.
I need a towel.
One right in front of you.
My quad is hurting too much.
Okay. Get your bolt through that first. There you go. There you go. Good job. Okay, then you're gonna. Yep, good. So now get the one on the bottom. Is that the new one or old one?
New. You can tell because nothing's ever been in it.
Okay, good. So you're a little too far away. So just get the bolt. I mean, don't have the bolt out that far. Get that bolt out of there. There you go. There you go. Now you got it. And take your ratchet. Just pop it off the end there. Take the extension one off the end. And then that way you have more leverage. Just leave it all together. Yeah, use that long. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Good. Nice. See that? That's cool. That's great. You're rocking. So once that's nice and firm, then go up top and change your change out to small. Take off the extension. There you go. I wouldn't do that yet. I would walk that. Well, you can, but you might want to try to walk in a little bit more by hand. Doing good. Nice. Good job. Wow. Looks good. I'm so glad we got the black. What do you think?
I wouldn't want chrome.
I mean, I think chrome would have been a huge mistake. Why that sales guy yesterday thought that chrome was the right color for his bike, I have no idea. Good job. Okay, get it. Yep, there you go. You gotta make sure you got it in there secure. Ooh, it's all right. You're all right. Just make sure you get it in there where it's in. There you go. Good job. Okay, good. All right, now time to put your brake assembly back on with your floorboard. So do you see the two
Dad,
holes?
look. My turquoise goes with turquoise.
Yeah,
And I have feathers, turquoise feather.
I know. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so now you're going to get the two bolts closest to you. Get your extension set up with your Allen head so that, because you have to reach in there, you're going to, no, don't use the tool yet. Just the extension with your Allen head, because you're going to need that to be able to get in there. So you have to load your screw.
The holes are right here and here.
Right, but you got to load your screw on your machine. Just put it on the end of the Allen. There you go. Okay, now when you get that up in the air, you got to line those two up with those two holes. You see that? So go for the front one first because it doesn't have that long pocket.
Right here?
Yep, yep. So now get your
Right here?
yeah, it's gonna be the front hole. So grabbing. There you go. Good job. So grabbing.
Mm-hmm.
Sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay, now, before it gets too tight, you get the rear one going.
Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah, you just gotta line up the back one. Yeah, it would have fallen on the ground had you not done that right.
And the rear one is right here.
Right, and all the way in the back, where it's in like that pocket. There you go, perfect. Now you may have to kind of finagle where that hole is. Wow, did you catch that hole? That's pretty impressive if you did.
I think I did. It's going in. Yep, I did.
Wow, you're lucky. You're extremely lucky. I just have a hard time believing that. I mean, so see if you can push that down behind. Yeah, so look at that. You got it. Okay, so now, wow, that's awesome. So now, you're going to tighten them all up. You got it. I mean, those are either connected or not. It's one or the other. So now go to the front one. See right here? Right here?
Just was checking I was going for the right
And
way.
then get your ratchet out. And you can start using your ratchet to start to really and get it straight because you're not straight. Right now you're not straight. You got to plug it in correctly. There you go. There you go. Good job. Okay, now get the back one. Yep, there you go. Good job. Good. Okay, now, good job. Okay, so you take two hands, and what you do is you hold the one on there, and then you get your leverage. There you go. Good. Okay, now the front one. Same thing. Get your leverage with the one hand. Yeah, great. Awesome. Okay, good job. So now, let's look at what you've accomplished here.
I like the black a lot. Oops. I dropped that thing.
What thing? You didn't drop anything.
Where is the... Oh.
Is there? Look at that. Wow.
Yeah, I love that.
I mean, I don't think it takes away from the look of the bike, personally.
No, I think...
Plus, if you ever want to put highway
Do
pegs
some
on.
people not put it on because they think that?
Yeah. It's ridiculous, but it's a huge... You know, if you lay this bike over, it's going to so protect this bike from getting really banged up. So what do you think?
I love the crash bar.
And plus, we can put those lowers.
I would like to put the leather.
Yeah, I get those back up north. And then, yeah, that's a... So what do you think?
Yeah, I love them.
So wow, an Ice Age TV, the daughter outdid Dad in putting crash bars on her new Chief. Her Super Chief, that is. Wow.
Can we ride it around the neighborhood?
Of course. We got things cleaned up here. Why don't you get on the bike? Let's get a picture of you on the bike. Let me have that. Let me have that. Just put that on the tool bench. So you get your last picture and
Why is this a green thing there?
hold on here. All right, we are done. Now we're gonna take a little ride around the block. Want to do that?
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Thank you. Another video of the daughter showing you how to do it right. crash bars for the new Super Chief Indian. It's the Chief frame. The steel, the cast iron frame, I guess. Steel frame, whatever it is. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more adventures. All right. Here's the first ride. The official first ride.
Official first ride or maiden run.
How you feel? You know the controls?